Yo, what's up, y'all? This is your boy Jay Joyner here, and welcome to GetGearsTV.com, which is now GetFocusTV.com. So, with all that being said, here's how you get it. The first thing you need to do, of course, is that you're going to go down to Downloader. Now, if you're at this point watching this video, you've probably already downloaded Downloader and did all of that. So once you now go into Downloader, you're going to be able to just click on Downloader. And if you're not here and you're here from a fresh install, someone sent you here, just watch another tutorial on how to download Downloader. It is very simple to do. Okay, you guys, so what we're going to do is move right along. Now, when you get to the downloader, all you have to do is come here, and you're going to keep the HTTP // in there, and you're going to just type in getfocustvnow.com. Okay, so that's getfocustvnow.com. I'll give you guys a little chance to actually pause the video now so that you can go ahead and type that in and then come on back. Okay, now once you type that in, you're just going to come on down here and click go. All right, we'll give that a little chance to load up. Now, once again, Focus TV is giving you guys a lot more for less. You're going to now get unlimited cable television for $27 a month, and you will be able to use it on 2 devices now. Before it was $25 per device. Now it is $27 for 2 devices. All right, so now what we're going to do is once we get here, we're going to scroll down and we're going to just click on this button here. Download the Focus TV app. Okay, so now once you download that, once again, it says, it's approximately 2 minutes for it to download. Just give it a little time once you click on it. As you see, it'll go on and it'll automatically start downloading and connecting on its own. Okay, now we're back. As you see, it's the Get Focus TV APK is right there. And what we're going to do is just scroll down and click install. So literally all you have to do is just download one APK and you get the best of both worlds right along with unlimited streaming TV. It's awesome. Now that it's done, we'll just go down here and we'll click done. Okay, once you click done, you just go over to delete. You're going to click delete and then you're going to go ahead and click delete again. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. You're good. As you see, Get Focus TV is ready to launch. Now, all you have to do is click the home button on your Firestick remote. It looks like a little house. Once you click that little house on your Firestick remote, it will take you back home. Now, all depending on how many apps you have on your Firestick, the next thing you have to do is click down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you'll be under your apps and channels. What I like to do now is just click it all the way, hold it down, and it'll go all the way to see all. Once you click on see all, we'll click that. And then as soon as we get to this page, we'll go ahead and just click to our left 1 time, and it'll shoot it all the way down to the bottom, and you will automatically have GetFocusTV.com app highlighted. What we want to do next is while it's highlighted, we want to click the 3 lines on our Firestick remote. So we'll click those 3 lines. Once we do, we'll then click down to move to front. Okay, so just click the 3 lines and then click down to move to front. After we do that, we'll click on move to front, and there you have it. Now it'll be at the front. What you do next is very simple. All you have to do is hit the home button on your Firestick remote. Once again, it looks like a little house. So I'll go ahead and hit the home button on my Firestick remote. And then once again, all we have to do is click down 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And we will land right on your Focus TV app. All we have to do from this point here is just click on the Focus TV app, and let it load right on up, and put in your username and password, and then click log in. It is that simple. Go ahead and click the link below or click down below to the video below on this page here, and it will definitely show you how to use the new GetFocusTV.com APK. All right, you guys, have a good one. Peace.